Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the onboarding in Divsly. So here is a screen where you can see the create short links and you have a skip option and a create button. So you have the option to choose either skip or create a short link. So while skipping it will go on skipping each of the features, but I'm going to choose create for now. So this is how where you land onto a create first link. So this is where I'm gonna click on my first link. I'm creating a short link here, giving my HTTPS. You can either give HTTPS or directly give divsly.com as a sample website. Your title is fetched here and your branded domain. This is a slug that has been created. I'll create as temporary temp. And you have option to create password, generate QR code for the same destination URL, and create tags here. I'm going to create tags, temp tag, and I'm going to create your short link. And your short link is here.